Hi everyone, welcome back to the AI Gen Club podcast. I'm Ngọc Thành. Guys, have you ever felt butterflies in your stomach right before a big presentation, a football final, or even just as you stepped into an exam room? Or maybe there are times when you haven't done anything wrong, but your mood is just terrible, and then you realize you're hungry or just ate a heavy, greasy fast food meal. Why is our mood so closely tied to our stomach? Is the brain in our head controlling everything? Or are we actually being puppeted by another brain hidden deep within our digestive system? Today, AI Gen will explore a mind-blowing truth with you. The gut is actually a human's second brain. To understand why the gut is called the second brain, you need to look at this number. There are more than 100 million neurons lining in your digestive tract. That's more than you have in your spinal cord. Scientists call this the enteric nervous system, or the ENS. So, how does it work? The gut-brain axis. Imagine your brain and your gut are two best friends who stay in constant contact through a high-speed hotline called the vagus nerve. Information travels back and forth non-stop. When you're anxious, your brain sends signals down that make your stomach cramp up. Conversely, when your gut is upset, it sends alarm signals that make you feel irritable or even sluggish. The factory of happiness. Do you remember serotonin, the happiness hormone that we discussed in our last episode? You'll be shocked to know that 90% of our body's serotonin is not produced in the brain, but in the gut. This means a healthy digestive system directly determines whether you feel happy and confident or not. If this second brain is off, the first brain will find it very hard to be happy. The gut microbiome, tiny residents. Inside your gut live trillions of bacteria living in symbiosis. They don't just help digest food, they also produce neurotransmitters that affect your ability to learn and remember. An imbalance between good and bad bacteria can lead to depression, anxiety, and a lack of focus. Solutions and future outlook. So, how do we nurture this second brain to keep our mind sharp for studying? Mood food. Instead of milk tea and fried snacks, which feed the bad bacteria, try adding probiotics from yogurt or kimchi, and fiber from vegetables. When you eat clean, your second brain responds by giving you a mental boost. Listen to your body. Don't ignore stomach aches caused by stress. That's a warning sign that you need to rest. Try meditation or deep breathing to calm your vagus nerve. And in the future, biomedical science won't just use psychiatric drugs to treat depression. They might use bacteria. The field of psychobiotics, also known as mental health probiotics, is booming. Maybe one day, instead of drinking coffee to stay awake before an exam, we'll drink a special probiotic shot to boost memory and kill anxiety. The world of biomedicine is full of such wonders. Our most important skill as a student is understanding our bodies to optimize the performance of both our brains. Thank you for listening to today's episode on the second brain. Don't forget to take good care of your tummy, because that's where happiness begins. I'm Ngọc Thành from AI Gen Club. See you in the next exciting biomedical topic. Bye bye.